Welcome back to another episode. We're going camping at the ocean. I'm not going to talk that much this time. Cut to title credits and generic EDM song now.
Take a moment for yourself. Get close with the lights down low. You and I and no one else. I get the feeling that I wanna explode. Baby, you grab my attention. Tension burning fever. Take me to another.
Just made it to the campsite and now I'm gonna set it up. I drove up alone because I figured I'd get here early and set it all up so that when the rest of the crew gets here, we can just chill, sit by the fire, relax, eat, have a good time. Here I go. This is it. Ocean camping, episode 4. Here we are. Let's do it. What did you say?
These beaches aren't like California.
California boy.
It's not summer yet. Just wait. Give it some time.
Just wait. What are we doing, Doug? We're getting a drone in the air. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Are you hungry?
I'm starved.
Yes, sir.
You're hungry?
Uh-huh.
What are we gonna eat?
Probably a burger or two, maybe 3.
Yeah.
What's going on? Just stoking the fire. Just making some burgers. Trying.
Have you tried the
Fire. Bacon.
Can you really?
Oh yeah. Oh, careful. I'm gonna get stuck.
Thanks, Brad. Good morning.
It's coffee time, baby.
I'll be the first to say that we drank too much last night and we slept for 4 hours and we were out at the ocean at 3 a.m.
and we're feeling great. Feeling real great.
We're feeling so good. It rained on us last night. all good. Hey, good morning, Doug.
Morning, Roger.
How'd you sleep?
Super duper.
How many hours?
Probably like 4.
Going to see what's up with Mr. Blake. That guy right there is gonna get the best sleep out of anybody. We love bacon, baby. Sleep good?
Morning.
Good morning.
Just woke up in my car. It's pretty nice.
Eggs, baby.
There's no way.
Saw, dude.
Time to go home.
Time to go home.
Have fun.
Go home. Ow.
Cool.
That'll be the end.
Yeah. That's it for another Lost Boyz episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace.
Going crazy, 'cause there are things in the streets I don't believe. So we'll pretend it's alright and stay in for the night. What world, I'll keep you safe here with me. I said I'd never let you go, but I never did. I said I'd never let you fall, and I always meant it. Didn't have a chance, and I never did. So always walking right there again.
Potatoes, boil them, mash them.
Put them in a stew. What's that from?
Lord of the Rings.
At the ocean for camping, just waiting for the boys. It's just me at the beach alone, waiting for my crew to get in. Gonna make some burgers and camp. Gonna have a fun time.
Ooh, hopefully I can find my way back. I didn't think about that. Oh, frick.